Mastering time allocation in the TOEFL iBT test format. Hello, English learners and test takers. Today, we're going to dive deep into the TOEFL iBT test format and, more specifically, understand the time allocation for each section. By the end of this video, you will be well equipped with knowledge on how much time you'll spend on each part of the test. Firstly, it's essential to understand the structure of the TOEFL iBT test. The TOEFL iBT comprises 4 main sections. 1. Reading. 2. Listening. 3. Speaking. 4. Writing. Each of these sections assesses your ability in different aspects of the English language, from understanding written and spoken content to expressing yourself effectively. Now, let's delve into the specifics of the time allocation. 1. Reading. This section consists of 3 to 4 passages, and you will have 54 to 72 minutes to complete them. This means, on average, you'll spend around 18 to 20 minutes per passage, including answering the questions related to each passage. 2. Listening. Here, you'll encounter 3 to 5 lectures and 2 to 3 conversations. The entire section will take you 41 to 59 minutes. Remember, this section is not just about passive listening. It's about understanding and analyzing the content. 3. Speaking. The speaking section has 4 tasks, and you will have a total of 17 minutes to complete them. It might seem brief, but with the right preparation, you can express your ideas effectively within the allocated time. 4. Writing. Last but not least, the writing section has 2 tasks. You will get 50 minutes in total, 20 minutes for the integrated task and 30 minutes for the independent task. Time management is crucial here to ensure you structure your essays well and proofread them. Practice, practice, practice. Familiarize yourself with the format. The more you practice, the better you'll become at allocating your time effectively. Stay calm. Nervousness can waste precious minutes. Always remember to take deep breaths and stay focused. Watch the clock, but don't obsess. While it's essential to be aware of the time, don't keep checking the clock. Set milestones instead, like deciding you'll finish reading a passage in 15 minutes. Skip and return. If you find a question challenging, don't dwell on it. Mark it, move on, and come back if time allows. That wraps up our session on the time allocation for the TOEFL iBT test. Remember, a crucial part of acing this test is managing your time efficiently. We hope this breakdown gives you a clear understanding of what to expect. Best of luck, and keep practicing.